Welcome to WPResidence. In this video, I'll show you how to create a fully custom property category template using Elementor Free and WPResidence Studio. I will show you how we use custom widgets to display everything from header image to listings, galleries, maps, videos, and advertising sections. You'll see how flexible this system is. You can even design templates for any category or project type without limits. First, create a new template in WPResidence Studio. Templates, add new. Choose a name and then select Category Template from the dropdown. Save your page and publish it. You can also choose Elementor Full Templates to have a full with design. Next, choose Edit with Elementor to start designing your template. The template will choose automatically a category from your list to show this in preview correctly. The content you see in the preview is just for the default category chosen. You can manage that directly from WP-admin, categories, edit your category, where you can add description, your custom fields, property media, and so on. I will surely show you how I designed the template used in this demo, but first I wish to show you all the widgets we have available for the category template. You can use term title, shows the category name. Then we have the term description, which displays the category description, where you can use also editor like bold, links, and so on. Then we have the term parent, if you want to show and add a parent category. You can also use term city or county state, which refers to the category location if you use that field. Term featured image, each category can have its own featured image added from theme options media. Term gallery shows a gallery of image you can add for each category. Term tagline is a short slogan or text you can add for each category. Term custom fields is a fully flexible widget you can add or organize fields as you wish, and we'll cover this shortly. Term map displays a map optionally with GeoJSON data. Term breadcrumbs for easy navigation. Term header combines featured image, title, and subtitle with design controls. Term property count shows how many properties are listed in that category. Term documents, PDFs display documents that you add for each category if you wish to. And listings per term show properties that are attached to this category. Next, I will show you how I designed this demo category template. Start with the term header widget. Use drag and drop to place the header widget where you wish. It automatically pulls the category featured image, title, and subtitle or tagline. You can customize the height, and then you can change colors and style to match your brand. I have several controls from typography to colors, border radius, and the text position. I also added the description widget, which allows you to control the font size, font family, and also the color. You can also add other widgets not related to categories specifically, like a contact widget, for example, which is great for letting clients reach out directly from this page. To display the number of properties in this category, use the term property count widget. I styled it and added a custom label, which you can change easily. Now we're displaying the listings using the listings per template widget. In this widget, you have several controls. The easiest common will be the order of properties which you can change. And of course, some of you will wish to show or hide specific filters, and that you can simply hide with yes, no. You can also control the pagination position and change it easily with just one click. And if you wish, you can show less or more properties per row. So use the gallery widget to show more images for this category, and you can design this as you wish. There are several options available in the styling. Next, we'll add the term map widget to your category. This allows you to highlight boundaries in polygon form. Each category can have its own GeoJSON file, and I'll show you how to create one. Go to this website. I will share the link in the description. Here you can find your area and then start designing on the map a GeoJSON polygon. When the file is done and you can save it, you can add it back to your edit category map section, and then the property will show on the map like this. I will describe a little bit what custom fields do. Custom fields give you nearly unlimited flexibility to add content specific to each category. For example, I added a field for a YouTube video and another field for an HTML code where I use transportation details and font awesome icons. Whatever you add in the custom fields will display exactly as you entered it in front end in your template. Because when you will drag and drop the custom field, you will also select which of the custom fields you wish to display in this specific template. And this will allow you to design different templates for different categories. You can create custom fields that are unique to each category. For a project or a building template, for example, you could create fields such as price range, number of bedrooms, number of stories, year built, or any other detail that makes sense for that type of category. For a city or location template, you might include fields like transportation, schools, key highlights, or a neighborhood video. To add a text area, field, you just have to add the field and then save it to see the full editor, which allows you to add HTML, headings, fonts, and other details. These custom fields can be set per category, or you can repeat them across multiple categories if the same information applies. This gives you full control to design category pages exactly the way your clients need. Once you're happy with your design, click Publish and assign it to your property categories from the WPResidence Studio list. Just edit the template you have created and then go to Display Options. Every category using this template will dynamically display all the content you added: listings, galleries, maps, videos, custom info, and more. And that's it. You've created a dynamic, fully styled category template using WPResidence Studio and Elementor free. Experiment with widgets, custom fields, galleries, maps, and call to actions. The possibilities are endless. Your categories and projects can look exactly how you want. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we publish new tutorials.